Hey everyone, it's Melly here. It's been a while since I last posted a YouTube video, but I thought I'd vlog today because I'm actually going to be filming a bubble tea video. I'm joining the Poke CoCo challenge, which is basically making a 15-second video on how you can creatively poke a bubble tea in the best way possible. So my idea is to mix martial arts into it. I had this vision of spinning a staff, and then as I toss the staff up into the air, it transforms into a bubble tea straw, and then it pokes into the bubble tea and I drink it. Anyways, Marthy's gonna come help me film, and I've been talking to Brenda about my ideas and my parents. You're sure?
If I stay like this.
What? Okay, show me your drunken form.
Okay, this is my bubble tea cup. Okay, I'm ready to drink bubble tea. I drink the my soul.
So this entire video is a collective effort, and I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out, and I'm gonna bring you guys along. So yeah. CoCo. Hi. It's time to pick up our drinks. We're inside CoCo now. It's the Poke CoCo challenge advertisement. That's what we're doing today. Are you ready to shoot today?
Sure.
Thanks, CoCo! We're making a stop at the office to get our gear. Hi, MJ.
Hello.
You have your hood up again?
Best editor.
Best editor.
Thank you. No, I probably don't know.
Wow, you already know how to do it. I didn't even teach you anything.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, like the figurine.
What? Yeah, you had like that extra spin.
I haven't done this in like years.
Yo.
Alright, MJ's turn.
Just try first without teaching you.
Oh, he's switching hands! Oh!
Something like this?
Oh.
Yeah?
Oh!
Something like this? I don't know.
You're doing it!
Oh wow, he's
I'm
even
doing it?
Yeah.
under armpit and then turn. And the under armpit.
This?
Huh.
Yeah.
Wait,
Oh.
no, I go
Okay,
back.
yeah.
Okay? Oh. Ugh.
I think I did the same.
We just taped Marthy's iPhone 12 onto
Pro Max.
the staff. We're gonna see if we can get a perspective shot. Okay, I'll be careful. Does it feel secure?
Go filming. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Yo.
So, well, it's pretty heavy.
Yo.
Oh,
What are you guys doing?
Oh, it's whack.
Am I the only one who's dropping the gift?
That's tomorrow, man.
Oh, really?
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think so. That's it.
I guess we'll do a rough edit and see.
Okay.
$2,000 shot.
Exactly.
You see if my phone here. You can see if my phone survived.
Cut. Sorry.
CoCo, CoCo, but with a diaper, CoCo.
He's gonna make a video too. He's practicing.
I'll get a garbage bag.
Yeah.
Put my feet through the garbage bag and be like, CoCo, 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 CoCo.
What's your sexy one?
Oh, sex one is like, CoCo, CoCo.
I don't know if that's sexy or scary, dude.
Scary?
Yeah.
CoCo.
No. Your sexy is scary.
Oh no.
You're scaring girls.
I don't know. Oh my god, sorry.
Can you see?
Huh?
You have contacts?
Yeah. I'm just bad. Oh my god. Scene 1, take 1.
That was it.
Ah! But it didn't stop through, but like, shit.
I can't see it at the top. Anyways.
Oh, well, I guess. Okay.
Action.
Well, no, I don't know.
You're scaring me
I know,
too.
I feel scared now. Or was it? I don't know why I did 1, 2, 3. What do you think?
Okay. This is worth 10 grand by the way.
This camera itself, how much is it?
8 grand, CoCo. Oh man, I have to be wider.
I have to get the exact position of where you're framed.
There. Where did that go?
Oh,
where was it?
Were you
There?
rolling?
Yeah, no it wasn't.
Oh.
I just wanted to see where the frame is. Okay, oops.
Oh shit, what is this toss?
That was so...
Oh my gosh. Ah, let it go.
There, almost. Nope, too high. Nope, too forward. Look at my hands.
I'm sorry.
This is how we're directing the stroke. Nope, we're not even in frame.
Huh.
Nope, too forward. I think that was it. I think we're good. I think you're just enjoying it. Stop.
And cut.
Good.
How many stems is that? That's
At least 50.
My arm workout of the day.
Is this in frame? Is this where the frame is?
Yes it is. Marthy's gonna be
Whoa.
this. Oh wait, let me roll first. Higher. Oh, that's off. Oh, that's way too high.
Was that it?
No, it's too slanted. It was like this. Has
It
to
was
be
like this? So I have to be like this.
Yes. Right there, right there.
No? Any feedback? 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, what's that?
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, I think.
Ready?
Yeah, I got it.
Are you sure?
Rolling,
Wait,
just in
wait,
case. Rolling.
Wait.
1, 2, 3, go.
Ah! Shit, sorry.
You.
I should have put it inside.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh!
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, why doesn't it go all the way through? I need to go like,
You have to like.
poo! Okay.
You have to commit.
Come in, okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
But like, I have to go further, right?
Well, we don't have any more.
Shit, I mean like, pull it back out.
Okay, we'll see that.
Oh my gosh, I didn't push it like...
Wait, was I rolling?
You were.
Was it?
I don't know if you're rolling your eyes. You like to stress me out. Say hi to the vlog, Brenda.
Hi.
Brenda's been helping with ideas. Morning! Today is day 2 of our Poke CoCo shoot. I'm in my martial arts uniform right now. Just did my hair. It's been a long time since I last did martial arts, actually. Or just got dressed in a uniform. The last time was probably when I competed back in university. But yeah, feels good to be back, I guess. Hi, Mom.
You okay, baby?
Thanks. We're at CoCo again.
Take 2.
Yeah, we're gonna order another 3 guys for the shoot. That's 6 bubble teas already for this video. Thank you for waiting.
Thank you. Have a good one.
3 more.
Jolly Christmas.
It's almost Christmas. Ho ho.
We're at the top of a parking garage and we're setting up now.
Don't talk. Remember? Are you okay? Oh, are you recording? What the heck?
We just finished filming. It was super cold up top, but I think we got what we needed. The things we do for the shots.
The things we do for bubble tea.
Yeah, that too.
We didn't even get to drink it.
Yeah, we got it like how many hours ago?
Mel lied to me.
What did I lie to you about?
No, I'm kidding.
We can drink it now.
It's so cold.
I'm trying to add sound effects for the staff spinning to make it more epic and realistic. is my sequence so far. I don't know if you guys can see, but I actually have a bruise on my hand from spinning the staff earlier today and catching it. Yeah. Hey everyone, so today is January 27th. It's been over a month since we last made the video for the Poke CoCo challenge, but we actually won the prize for the most stunning action, and CoCo awarded us with this Mavic Mini Drone. I just want to say thank you to CoCo for hosting such a fun challenge for the bubble tea community, and also thank you to Marthy and my family for helping with the video because this wouldn't have been possible without them. So yeah, super excited to unbox it. Let me show you guys what's inside. It's so tiny. It's like the size of my hand, honestly, look. This is the remote controller. It looks very similar to the Mavic Air. They have instruction manuals here for flying a drone. On the back of this card, they're like, driving is complex, but flying is easy. They also have a short training manual here. But I've been flying drones for a while and also have my drone license because I fly drones for wedding shoots. Oh, cool. They have an extra set of propellers in the box. Screw it on. I just attached the joysticks for the remote controller. Oh, wait. They have extra joysticks too? I didn't know that. Because I just opened it and they have the joysticks in here already. Wow, they're so nice. It comes with 3 different cables for the remote controller. Apple, USB-C, and then Android. I don't know what's called. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the behind the scenes. And I guess in the future I could do a video showing you guys the Mavic Mini footage. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!